In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use ClickUp AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log into your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you should see a search node on the very top of your browser. And on that search node, on the right, you should see the Ask AI button. So click right there. Now, you would open another tab or rather another window on the rightmost part of your screen. This is ClickUp AI. Now, as you can see, there would be suggested tasks that you can do or you can do with the help of AI, some featured tasks with search, report, think, create, and more tools. Now, all of this is provided, but you can simply search some queries or type in some queries right here, which you can also use and will be used by the AI to help you and assist you with your task. For example, let's do this. Once I click on one of the suggested tasks, the AI would then analyze and then would be searching for your workspace. Now, for example, my task 3 status is actually already done, but I have not yet completed it. But instead of going there manually, I can simply type in update task 3 status to complete, and as you can see, it is now complete. For example, I also have task 4 already done, but I have not yet updated the status. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, type it in here, replace with the 4, and then enter. Now let's wait for AI to do its work. It's going to search my workspace. And as you can see, my task 4 is now complete as also. Now it can also add some follow-ups and add some comments like done and closing this out. And it can also show you all the completed tasks in your project. See how helpful it is? So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.